I'm going to show you how to pass a drug test that's directly observed. In this test, an official will be monitoring you as you provide a urine sample. Yes, they'll be watching you closely, which is standard for directly observed tests. I'll provide you with simple, step-by-step instructions on how to successfully navigate this stressful situation. Please take a moment to click the like button below this video. It helps YouTube recommend this video to more viewers, allowing them to be informed as well. Firstly, forget about using synthetic urine or any other cheating methods. You might be thinking, but Daniel, can't I just use a device like the Whizzinator since it looks so real? Absolutely not. Before the test, you'll need to lower your pants and turn around. This is a standard procedure to prevent the use of devices like the Whizzinator or urine belts. For women, there are certain devices you could consider, but I don't recommend them. There are too many ways they can fail. The only reliable method is to produce clean urine. But how can you do that if you know you'd fail otherwise? Here are 3 proven and effective methods. If you have enough time, the first method is detoxification. This involves helping your body naturally eliminate all drug metabolites. After detoxification, your urine will be free of these metabolites. However, this method takes at least 7 days or more for heavy users. It requires a healthy diet, exercise, plenty of water, and good sleep. We have a detailed guide on detoxification on our channel, so I won't repeat all of it here. The next method is cleansing, dilution, or flushing, as some call it. Drug tests measure the concentration of drug metabolites in your urine. This method temporarily cleans your urine by flushing out marijuana and other drug metabolites. Afterward, you'll have a few hours when your urine tests clean. Here's what you need to do. Immediately stop using marijuana as soon as you know you need to pass a drug test. If your test is directly observed, you know it's serious and you don't want to risk failing. 4 hours before the test, take 5 grams of activated charcoal. This will bind the drug metabolites in your intestines and prevent them from re-entering your bloodstream. 3 hours before the test, mix 10 grams of creatine supplement with a glass of grapefruit juice and drink it. Creatine restores creatinine levels in your urine. Grapefruit juice slows down drug metabolism in the liver, reducing the amount of marijuana metabolites excreted in your urine. 2 hours before the test, do the following. Drink 20 ounces of an electrolyte drink, like Gatorade. This halts the release of marijuana metabolites from fat cells into the blood. The minerals in Gatorade will also maintain the specific gravity of your urine, ensuring it passes validity checks. Take a vitamin B supplement to restore the natural color of your urine. Over the next 2 hours, drink 16 ounces of water each hour and urinate frequently. This will flush out drug metabolites and lower their concentration below detectable levels. Here are some additional tips for the best effect. Use creatine ethyl ester, as it works faster and creates creatinine levels more quickly. Practice this method at home to determine your personal dosage and timing of creatine. Use at-home urine validity test strips to ensure your creatinine levels and specific gravity are within normal ranges. However, for a directly observed drug test, I recommend using a more convenient and reliable solution. The Fast Marijuana Detox Kit contains all the necessary ingredients to clean your urine for up to 5 hours. It starts working in just 1 hour and includes elements to restore the natural composition of your urine, ensuring it passes all validity checks. It's undetectable by labs and completely legal to use. It works regardless of body size or marijuana usage. Fast shipping is available, so you can get your kit delivered the next day. The kit includes easy, clear, step-by-step instructions and an in-depth healthy detox guide, a $60 value at no additional cost. To get this kit, follow the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates.